Hello everyone, Ryan Plays here and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you 8 tips that will enhance the overall experience of Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started. Managing audio shortcut. Suppose you're browsing the web and listening to music, and for some reason you have to pause it. Instead of finding the site music is playing from and then pausing it, you can use the media icon in the top right corner of the Chrome and pause the song or skip forward backward. You can also use the picture-in-picture mode to watch the video while switching to different tabs. If there are multiple sites generating sound, you can control all of them from the media icon. You can also mute the site by right-clicking on the tab and clicking on Mute Site. Number 2. Sending a site to phone. Sending a site to your phone from PC has become way easier. First, open Chrome on both your PC and phone. Now all you gotta do is right-click on the tab you wanna send and click on Send to Phone. A pop-up will appear on your phone. Just click on Open and the site is in your phone. Neat, right? Number 3. The Ctrl-Shift-T shortcut. A lot of the time we're using Chrome and accidentally closed it, or maybe for some reason the computer had turned off. Now going to the history and opening all the tabs one by one is not efficient. You can use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-T to get all the sites back altogether. Number 4. Translate to English. A lot of the site we visit may not be in English, but there is some information that we need from the website. In that case, right-clicking on the site and selecting the option Translate to English will allow us to retrieve the information we need. Number 5. Casting. Casting is a powerful tool built into Chrome. Suppose I have a TV nearby and wanna display my computer screen to it. In that case, going to the 3 dots menu and clicking on Cast will open up a dialog box and search for any device nearby to cast the screen on. Number 6. Blocking notifications. Notification from multiple sites might get overwhelming. Blocking notification from unwanted site is the best bet. For that, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then scroll down until you find Notification. Here you will find a list of sites that have access to send you notifications and also the site that you have blocked. Simply choosing a site you don't want to get notification from and selecting Block will do the trick. Number 7. Pin tabs. Chrome now allows you to pin a site to your browser. Suppose this is the site you visit often and you want to pin it. For that, simply right-click on the tab and Pin tab. Now it is pinned to the left side of Chrome and its size is also reduced. You can also pin multiple tabs too. One neat feature is if you close Chrome and reopen it, the pin tabs will open too. Number 8. Chrome profiles. Suppose you and your family members share the same computer, and having a lot of Google accounts signed into your Chrome might get messy. Chrome Profile solves the problem by having different profiles for individual accounts. You can access the profile from the profile menu in the top right, and clicking on any profile will open up a new window with that profile. You can manage the profiles by clicking on the gear icon. Thank you all for watching this video. If the extensions mentioned helps you out in any sort of way, make sure to leave a like and comment down below your favorite extensions. That's all for today. It's Ryan Plays, signing off.